Dental implants are now the preferred option for those who are looking to repair lost teeth or secure dentures. Yet, a lot of people aren't keen on considering implants for their teeth due to worries over costs. In this clip, we'll explore the price of dental implants as well as look at the elements that affect cost. What are dental implants? Dental implants are synthetic tooth roots which are surgically inserted within the jawbone in order to help support a new tooth or bridge. They are composed out of titanium. It is an extremely durable biocompatible substance that joins the bone and creates strong and solid base to support the replacement tooth. Implants are regarded as the most reliable option to replace teeth since they feel, look, and function just like real teeth. Dental implants cost money. Cost of dental implants may vary according to a number of variables, such as the number of implants needed, components used, as well as the geographical location of the dental practice. In general, the price of one dental implant ranges from $800 up to $3,000. It includes the price of implanting the implant, surgical procedure to place the implant, and the dental restoration or replacement tooth to be secured with the implant. Aspects that could impact the cost of dental implants. A variety of factors influence the cost of dental implants. Some factors include implants. Number of implants. The more implant need to be used, the more price. As an example, replacing a missing tooth by implant is cheaper than replacing the entire set of teeth missing by using several implants. Materials used. Quality of material used in the implant as well as the reconstruction will affect the price. High-quality materials can be more costly, however they can give better results for the long run. Location of the dental facility. The location of the dental facility may also influence the price in the purchase of implants. Dental clinics located in urban areas or areas that are expensive could charge more for procedures compared with clinics situated in rural regions. Additional procedures. In some instances, there are additional procedures necessary prior or post-placing of dental implants, for example, bone grafting or a periodontal procedure. Additional procedures could be added to the total price of the procedure. Insurance coverage for dental implants. A majority of dental insurance plans do not cover the total expense of dental implants because they're regarded as cosmetic procedures or elective. Certain insurance plans will cover a percentage of the costs if implants are medically needed. It's important to consult with your insurance provider in order to know what's covered under your policy. Financing options for dental implants. If the price of dental implants are not your top priority, you can find financial options to reduce the expense of this procedure. Dental clinics often have payment plans and financing options to allow patients to take care of the procedure over duration. Furthermore, there are third-party financing businesses have a specialization in financing for dental procedures and are able to offer financing options for those with any credit type. Conclusion. Cost of dental implants may vary according to a number of variables, including the amount of implants needed, components used, as well as where the dental practice. Even though dental implants are costlier than other replacement alternatives, they are an extremely long-lasting and natural solution for people who are missing their teeth. If you are concerned about cost, then it's important to investigate financing alternatives or payment plans to assist in making dental implants affordable. All in all, investing in dental implants could boost the health of your mouth assurance as well as the general quality of your life.